When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal in Frederick, one of the most powerful upgrades you can make is replacing your front door. Often overlooked, your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Whether you're welcoming guests, trying to impress potential buyers, or simply wanting to give your house a fresh look, a new door can make a dramatic difference. A worn-out or outdated door can drag down your home's entire exterior appearance. Faded paint, warping, or dents can make even a well-maintained house look neglected. On the other hand, installing a new door instantly updates your home's facade. With the right color and style, you can turn an ordinary entrance into a warm, inviting focal point. Today's doors come in a wide range of materials and designs, from classic wood and durable fiberglass to sleek steel options. Each material offers its own benefits for your Frederick home. Wood doors, for example, provide a timeless and natural look, while steel and fiberglass options add security and weather resistance with low maintenance. Many homeowners love doors with decorative glass inserts, which let in more light and add an elegant touch. In Frederick, where seasonal weather can bring both chilly winters and humid summers, replacing an old door isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. Modern doors are built with energy efficiency in mind, helping to keep drafts out and your energy bills in check. A properly installed, insulated door can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. That means you can enjoy a stylish front entrance while also improving your home's energy efficiency. Beyond its practical benefits, a new entry door can even raise your home's value. If you plan to sell your house, an updated front door signals to buyers that the property is cared for and move-in ready. Many buyers in Frederick look for homes that blend style with function, and your front door is a simple way to show off both. Replacing your door also gives you a chance to add modern security features. Newer doors can be paired with advanced locks and smart systems, giving you more control over your home's safety and peace of mind. This means you get a door that looks great, performs well, and protects your family all at once. When choosing a new front door, consider the architectural style of your Frederick home. A modern farmhouse, for example, might look perfect with a craftsman-style door with glass panels, while a colonial home could benefit from a solid wood door in a rich, classic color. Small details like hardware, side lights, and transom windows can help tie the door to the rest of your home's style, creating a cohesive look that truly enhances curb appeal. If you're ready to replace your front door, it's wise to work with a professional. A skilled installer can help you choose the right door and make sure it's properly fitted and sealed. Proper installation is key to maximizing energy efficiency, durability, and long-lasting beauty. In the end, a new front door is one of the most impactful ways to refresh your Frederick home's exterior. It can transform the entire vibe of your house, making it feel more inviting and stylish. You'll not only boost your home's curb appeal but also enjoy better energy savings, security, and comfort. If you're looking for a project that delivers both practical and aesthetic value, replacing your entry door is an investment you won't regret.